Welcome back, Season 2, Part 2, Golf 2018. Shaquila's back. Milo's Garage. Let's go. So for today, my goal and my plan is to take in the front everything what's damaged so we can get on with the plan and move forward. This episode, believe it or not, is sponsored by La Cerveza Más Fina. By the way, speaking of cerveza, today is I think 25th. Yeah, today is Wednesday, 25th, 2020, and unfortunately, Diego Armando Maradona passed away. Truly one of the biggest football legends. Rest in peace, Diego. As I've said, like today's goal is to disassemble everything and to see what we have here, like how bad the damage is, and I guess let's get on with the work. Cheers, guys. I will play now some music for myself while I'm working, and you guys will go on a time lapse. If I will have something smart to say, which I highly doubt it, I will definitely have to pause the music then and to talk to you then. Enjoy. Obviously, lots of parts on the hood which I will take off, like all these rubber gaskets and like the hood latch and whatnot. So this will be reused if the new hood will come without those parts. This is a hood latch, which is good, hopefully. I don't know, probably I will not need it. So that's the problem that we have as a humanity. We tend to hoard stuff that we don't need. Don't be like Milo. Don't keep unnecessary stuff. This is the headlight. I'm not sure if I'll be able to save it because this tab is broken. This tab is broken on the other side, and okay, so I'm not sure if this is a crack. Yes, it is, and there is a crack in the bottom. So we'll see. I will just leave it here on the side. So this is the rod support, and it's out. Wow. This has definitely seen some better times. Headlight. I'm not sure if there's anything I can say from this headlight. Maybe like the light bulbs. Maybe. Not even. I'm not sure if the camera was recording all this, but I just like in order to salvage. I'm not sure even if this is a dollar of a windshield. Created like a sorry, like for my language, but I just created like a complete mess everywhere in order to save a dollar. My God. And then. As I mentioned at the beginning of the story, guys, do not hoard stuff that you don't need. I guess, as you guys can see, my hands are dirty, like with few cuts everywhere, like blood was running everywhere. We're done for today. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for part 3 because like I plan to go bananas with this one, man. Like this one needs to be done like ASAP. So with this being said, like before like I would say, am I optimistic to say like before the New Year's? So like in a month. Let's see. Part 3. Parts car. Stay tuned. Like, sub, share, comment. Like go share this video like on your social media and tell like your cousins like, oh, like look at this guy, like he's pretending to be a mechanic but he's not. But actually I'm not. But I can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Stay tuned.